You're just getting a little scared, huh?
Yep. But I don't.
Good.
Ben always sleeps with you guys.
I take a deep breath. And out.
Ooh.
She got more pops than you did.
Oh, that feels so good.
Oh yeah, that upper back.
Uh-huh.